I welcome you to my channel. My name is s.t.a.l.k.e.r. By popular demand of our viewers, I will show what is happening in our city of Lugansk, and I will also show how my house was damaged. I live in the east of Ukraine. It just so happened, there are fierce battles near my house. The roar of the shells, we hardly paid attention. But when the lights went out, it was already unpleasant. Do you see a bright flash? This is an electric arc on a high voltage line. Here you can clearly see how the light went out and came on. This is the emergency line. This line was also destroyed. 500,000 people lost electricity. There was no light for almost 3 months. One night I woke up from an explosion of terrible force. The walls of the house did not tremble, they shook. Furniture fell, flashes from explosions sparkled. It was very dark. I ran to the basement. The windows flew out. I heard loud screams from the neighbors. I heard hissing, and then I realized that the neighbors were trying to plug the gas pipe damaged by shrapnel. The gas could explode because of the destroyed houses on fire. A few minutes later, the whole sky lit up red from large-scale fires. Only in the morning I realized how bad things were. Not only the windows flew out, the walls cracked, the floor collapsed, the door flew off its hinges. Such a thing flew to me. On the pavement nearby, I saw a shell crater. All the wires were cut off. The gas pipe was damaged, but it didn't stop functioning. Something terrible happened on the neighboring streets at night. I need to go and see. There is no one at the checkpoint. Our gas station. Our store. My school is closed now. Trenches in the flower garden in front of the windows. That's all for now. In the next video, we will show what is happening in the center and in other parts of Lugansk. We will also show how people's lives have changed in such unusual conditions.